Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide the caller ID on iOS 26. To do it, all you need to do is go to the settings, then in settings scroll down until you find apps. Now find phone. I'm just gonna use this slider on the side to find the P letter, then phone, and now as you scroll down you'll find show my caller ID option. If you click on that, now you can disable it, and as you make a call, the person you're calling to won't see your caller ID. I'm gonna show you that in a moment. And now I'm making a call and I'm expecting to see exactly this, no caller ID, even though I have this phone and contacts on this phone. It still doesn't show the caller ID, it's just anonymous at all. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.